Good morning, Lincoln Mustangs. Miss Monist here with your morning announcements for Wednesday, February 5th, 2025. And as always, hoping that I can ignite in every Lincoln student the ability to realize and achieve their potential in a diverse global community. I want to give a special shout out to some students for AR today. These are students that not only have completed AR quizzes and earned points, but they're doing so with accuracy. So in first grader, Atlas Battles, who has 19.1 AR points, also has 96% accuracy, meaning that when Atlas takes a test, most of the time, he's earning a 100%, 96%, 96 to 100, not that far away, right? So Atlas has gotten 100% most of the time when he takes an AR quiz. In 7th grade, Taylor Elliott has earned 229 points, which is a lot of points in and of itself, but her accuracy is 94%. So again, most of the time that she takes a quiz, she's getting a really high score. In 8th grade, Asher Moore has earned 103 points with an accuracy of 91%. So all of those percents would kind of like be in the A range if you wanted to equate it that way, all very close to 100%. It is important that when we take an AR test, we aren't just taking it for the sake of taking it and trying to get a free dress day. We're taking it because we want to better our reading skills, improve our comprehension in retail facts. So when you're able to make those higher accuracy scores, it means that you did that. So that's amazing. Way to go, you guys. I want to give a congratulations to all of the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th graders that were able to use their Ratliff Razzle Dazzle dollars and go to the nacho party. Way to go. These are students who have not missed, I'm sorry, I said that wrong. These are students who have attended school 50 days in a row. That's awesome. So if you got to go to that party yesterday, the nacho party, give yourself a pat on the back. Way to go. We want you here every day on time. All right, the Black History Mystery Trivia question. Get ready for the clues. Here we go. Clue number 1. I was born into slavery. Clue number 2. I escaped from slavery and began leading the other slaves to freedom. Clue number 3. For 10 years, I helped more than 300 slaves escape to Canada using the Underground Railroad. And clue number 4, I worked as a spy, a scout, a laundress, and a nurse during the Civil War. Do you know what a laundress is? It's somebody who washes other people's clothes. And back then, they probably had to do it like by hand. All right, so remember that your answers must be in the form of a complete sentence with a capital letter and punctuation at the end. You need to have your first and last name on the answer as well as your teachers. I'll try to start getting the treats out to you guys today. An announcement from Mrs. Fowler. Just a reminder, the Lincoln's Children's Choir rehearsals will resume this Thursday. That is tomorrow. If you were not in the choir in the first half of the year and would like to join now, just make sure you see Mrs. Fowler for a form. Spots are filling up, so make sure you tell her now. Also from Mrs. Lacey, Yearbook Club will meet Monday, February 10th, so that's next Monday, until 3:15. Meet in Miss Lacey's room at dismissal, but you can only stay if you have your permission slip. So if you're on the Yearbook Club, make sure you have your permission slip when you come on Monday. The boys basketball team has a game today. They will be going up against Elise Ford Allen. It is a home game that starts at 4 o'clock. So here's a reminder about our rules for coming to a home game here at Lincoln. Number 1, you must be accompanied by an adult, and that adult taking responsibility for you must be with you. If that adult leaves, you have to leave. Rule number 2, unless you have earned a coupon from the Mustang Market, you have to pay the entry fee. The entry fee is $3 unless you are under the age of 5 or over the age of 60. And then if that's the case, it is $1. Rule number 3, you have to have been at school the day of the game. So for friends that are not here at school today, they cannot come to the game today. I skipped a rule. Sorry, that was actually rule number 4. Rule number 3 is you had to have had 0 major referrals within a week's time frame. So no major referrals from last Wednesday all the way up until the very end of the day today. I think that's it. Yep. These rules apply to everybody. According to the lunch menu today, we are having grilled cheese sandwich or a yogurt fun meal with creamy tomato soup, celery sticks, cinnamon applesauce, and of course, ice cold milk. Today we have 3 Mustangs in the building with the birthday. We have Venus Aguilar, Valencia Aguirre, and I'm sorry, I totally messed that name up. It's Venus Aguirre in kindergarten, Isabella Rowland in 1st grade, and Mateo Rubio Perez in kindergarten. Happy birthday, Mustangs. You may come on down to my office and retrieve your birthday prize. But remember, if you don't have a pass, you can't leave the class. Also, haven't said this in a while. No name, no grade. Don't forget that. Progress reports are going to be coming home soon, and it would not be cool to not get credit for something because you forgot your name. All right, we have our word of the day. Remember that if you can tell an adult this word in a sentence, they will give you 50 tickets or 50 dojo points. The word today is formulate. Say it with me, friends. Formulate. To formulate means to create or develop an idea, a response, or an argument. Here's my example sentence. Before the big game, the soccer team had to formulate a strategy to beat their opponents, deciding which plays to use to score goals. We are offering a free dress day buyout on Valentine's Day, which is next Friday, February 14th. It is $1 to come out of uniform, so you may not come out of uniform on Valentine's Day if you do not pay the $1. The money earned will go to support the library and AR incentives. This has been Miss Monis with your morning announcements, hoping you have a wonderful Wednesday.